A person has called me. A baby animal has strayed here alone for 5 or 6 days. He who is alone, no partner, he has left him or his mother has left him. Now I am trying to find it. I am looking very everywhere but cannot find it. But no matter I will take him with me easily. I think there is something there. There is there is a plastic bag hidden inside it. It is not here. I think someone left it inside because there is a plastic bag lying here. I saw I saw something there was is around a sea. I think it's him. Finally I found him. He is very squared but he is hidden within the tree. He is very scared of me, but I will take him with me. I thank my God that after a lot of hard work he got me. Now I will take him by my hands and I will continue to help these poor animals as long as I live.